Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on roles connect on voice channel permissions on your account on Discord. Easy and quick. First click here, click settings, and now click roles. Now click here, and now click permissions. Here, as you see, you will find this. You will find here connect on voice channel permissions, and as you see, click save here, and that's it. It should be saved, and that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.